What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is 410 Auto Tech. Today we are going to be doing some organizing on my socket trays and on my socket drawer, top drawer. It's a mess right now, so we're going to organize it, but big shout out to Olsa Tools. If you go to their website and you want to buy something, type in 410 Auto and you will get a 10% discount on every item that you buy off of their website using my promo code. So let's hop into the video. Let's take a look. Okay, guys, so I already cut it open. Let's see what Olsa Tools gave me. Olsa Tools, here is the part number right there. Made in Taiwan. Socket organizer tray with the handle. So let's cut this baby open. There you go. You got a 1/4 inch. Like I said, half inch, 1/4 inch, 3/8. But we'll take a look at my drawer first, and then I'll organize it real quick, and then we'll shoot it over afterwards. As you guys can see, I have a lot of sockets and a lot of stuff in here. It's very unorganized. So hopefully with that socket tray, I'll get a little bit more tidy and organized. I kind of want to clean up this area, this, and all of these. I kind of want to add all these hex and torques and all that onto one tray. So we'll clean this up real quick, put everything on that organizer, and let's see how much organized can we get this this drawer. It's fully loaded, not fully loaded, but it's pretty much loaded up. So let's take a look. So I liked it so much that halfway through the video I stopped and I had to get another set. So this is what it looks like right now. I had to stop and grab another whole set. I paid out of pocket for these, as you can see. As you can see, I bought 2 of them, and then I bought individual clips as well. Here is the part numbers for these. There's that one for the 1/2 inch. And this is for the 3/8. Hook these up. I've already swapped them out. All this is going to be all 1/2 inch. It's going to be 3 rows of 3/8, and then first row is going to be a 1/4 inch. So let's hop into it. Get a little time lapse going on of it. There you go. So this first tray, I'm going to put this away, and then I'm going to start on the 3/8 stuff, alright? Alright, now I got it finished. This is what it looks like without it being in my drawer. I'm gonna place it in the drawer. Now you can do an after shot of what my drawer looks like now with the Olsa Tools organizer. So I have back here 1/2 inch, 3/8, 3/8, and then 1/4 inch. And then this whole row, top row, is going to be 3/8, 3/8, 1/4 inch, and back to 3/8. This entire tray is going to be just nothing but my 1/2 inch deep swivel, mid impact, shallow impact, and then chrome 12-point sockets. So I'm going to put them in my toolbox, and then you guys can take a look after an after shot. So here you go. Here's the after shot. I think I cleared up enough space. Like I said, big shout out to Olsa Tools. Taking it over. So I'm definitely gonna buy some more to clean up this. All these 2 right here, and then these 4 right here as well. A big shout out to Olsa Tools for sending me out that one, which made me buy these 2 as well. I'll throw the specs down below or in the video for each each tray. Well, there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. My toolbox is nice and organized for my top drawer with my sockets. I'm definitely going to be buying some more of their socket holders. I'm in love with it. So as you can see, I definitely made a big improvement on some space. Space is time saver. Knowing where all your sockets is helps you when you're in flat rate. So big shout out to Olsa Tools. Like I said, remember, if you go on their website, use a promo code 410auto, you'll get 10% off every purchase you make. I don't get nothing off of it, but this is something for me to help you guys out because you guys are a big supporter of my channel. So drop a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. This is going to be 410 Auto Tech out.